Have you ever wanted to learn how to make pumpkin pie? Well, today is your day. We are here at Uncle Giuseppe's Marketplace with Frankie the baker, who's going to show us how to make this classic pie.
Easy recipe.
Nice.
Get all your ingredients ready. And you start with your pumpkin puree, condensed milk. It's a little thick, so you want to grab it out first. All right, so you got that mixed up. Then you add your dry ingredients, brown sugar, regular sugar, a little pumpkin spice. This consists of nutmeg, clove, ginger, and cinnamon. Cornstarch and a pinch of salt. Not too much. A little whisk, and you're ready. And you start with your eggs, milk, and condensed milk. And that's it. You give it a nice minute or two, just like this. You pour. Bingo.
It's like you know what you're
Just
doing.
like that.
The perfect amount.
Pop this in the oven at 350 degrees for 45 minutes.
All right, let's do it.
All right? All right.
Look at that.
And it's done.
That is a good looking pie.
You want to set it for 30 minutes, 40 minutes, and you're ready to go. A little whipped cream.
Oh, yeah.
Get
Absolutely.
the spoon, go to town.
Sounds good. So if you'd like to make this for the holidays or just for fun, head to our website, news12.com. The recipe will be there. Frankie, thank you.
Thank you, Lily. Enjoy the holidays.